These tender moments with Dad fulfill a child's purpose. They build confidence, perseverance, and the very reflection of Dad's character in the person they grow up to be. Preserve these sentimental memories and relive these positive emotions with 3dcrystal.com. Submit any digital photo. We'll model it to 3D and laser etch it inside crystal. The impression is so lifelike and real, the image pops right out at you. So, whether it's a moment spinning in the fields, having your hair professionally styled, baking in the kitchen, leaning on his shoulder, or giving him the biggest hug ever, let us help you keep the moment alive forever. 3dcrystal.com. Preserving moments with Dad and celebrating them in 3D for families around the world.